Hello, this is a short screencast specifically for Randy, addressing your question about how to change the typeface in Plotly. I, like you, love the way you can make box plots and show your data in Plotly. You can change the typeface to the Times New Roman. If you go here to the Style menu on the left, click that. Go down to the Axes tab and click that. Now inside of your axes, you go to typeface. I'm on the x-axis, you can do the y. If I do the x-axis, typeface, scroll down to the bottom, Times New Roman. I can change it to the 12-point font size. And you can see that changed that. I'll go ahead and do the y-axis just for giggles, so watch the font change as I select Times New Roman and then make it 12. And that's it. That's how you change the font of the axes labels and for any other label that you wanted to inside of Plotly. Hope that works for you.